Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Advanced Learning Center. This is the disclaimer of my video. Today we are going to discuss about another end semester examinations paper of the year 2022 for the subject microprocessor, subject code 502, and semester 5 in electronics and telecommunication engineering department. This question paper came in State Council of Technical Education Assam for the year 2022 in all of our Assam Polytechnic examinations. So myself, Tashir Ali Sheikh. So today's discussion topic is microprocessor question paper of 2022 that was come in State Council of Technical Education Assam. Topic will be covered solution of microprocessor part A, the solution of question number 1, that is choose the correct answer. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 3, state true or false. Solutions of question number 4, match the following. Solution of question number 5, answer the following in short form. So this was the question paper and semester examination 2022, semester 5th, old and new codes both. Subject code 8502, microprocessor subject, full marks is 70, just like the previous question papers. And time duration is 3 hours. Instruction: all question of part A and part B are compulsory. That is, in part A there are 25 questions, 25 marks are there. In 5 question is contains 5 marks. First question is choose the correct answer. There are 5 questions. From the multiple options you have to find out the single pick up the right answer. So these types of question, 5 questions are there. So this question will be go through in our later slide one by one. So question number 2 is fill in the blanks. There are 5 questions is there. Question number 3 is also true or false. And next is question number 4, match the following. Here is also 5 questions are there. This question number 5, here is also 5 question, answer the following questions in short. 5 question is there. In part B there are 45 marks is there. Answer any 5 of the following questions is contains 5 marks. So explain with the diagram, that is 6A. First question, explain with diagram the function of each register of 8085 microprocessor. So in 8085 microprocessor ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ সহায়ত আমাৰ যিবিলাক ৰেজিষ্টাৰ আছে তাৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন দিব লাগে. গিভ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যন অফ দ্য ডিফাৰেণ্ট টাইপছ অফ বাছ অফ 8085 microprocessor with proper diagram. Next question 6, define machine language, assembly language, high level language. Question number D, explain the term hardware, software and firmware. Question E, explain the function of the compiler, assembler and interpreter. Question F, explain what subroutine is, what instruction is used to call a subroutine, give an example. G, discuss the operating principle of a successive approximation type analog to digital converter. Question number 7, answer any 3 of the following questions. 5 marks is draw and explain the timing diagram for the memory read operations. B, classify the instruction set for 8085 microprocessor in various group. Give example of instruction for each group. Describe the demultiplexing of A D0 to A D7 bus with necessary diagram. Explain the different operation mode of PPI 8255. What are the different types of keyboard? Explain one of them. Next is question number 8, answer any 2 of the following. Has a 7.5 marks. Write an assembly language program to add 2 8-bit numbers. The sum may be of 16-bit. 8B, write an assembly language program to Get the smallest number in a data array. Draw and explain the internal block diagram of 8085 microprocessor. With the help of question number D, with the help of an internal block diagram, describe the various register of 8086 microprocessor. Explain with diagram the directions of data flow in memory with operation. Come to solutions of question number 1. Choose the correct answer. So what is the first question? Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is not a vector interrupt? So option A is trap, option 2 is ion tear, option 3 is RST 7.5 and RST 3. So here 4 vector interrupt are given. So out of that we have to find out which one is not a vector interrupt. So here this one is the not a vector interrupt. Out of these 3 all are interrupt except RST3. Okay, so next question is, what do you mean by ALU? Answer first question is arithmetic logic operation, arithmetic and logic unit, arithmetic logic in unsigned, arithmetic logic in. So the correct answer is question number B, that is arithmetic logic unit. Here one AND is given, this AND will be not there. Okay, so next question, in 8085 the name of 16-bit register is stack pointer, register B, register A, none of this. So register A and register B are is nothing but it is a it is a 8-bit register except this one, except stack pointer. Okay, here only stack pointer is nothing but it is a 8-bit 16-bit register, remaining are 8-bit register. Next question is the 5 flags in 8085 is designed as option 1 is Z, CY, SP and AC. Number D 2 is D, Z, SP and AC. Number 3 Z, C, SP, AC. Number 4 Z, CY, SD, AC. Okay, so first answer is the correct answer. This Z, CY, SP and AC are the 5 flags that are used in the this one is the correct answer. These are the 5 flags that are used in 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so next question is, the register which holds the information about the nature of the results arithmetic and logic operation is called accumulator. Conditions code register, flag register and process status register. The flag registers are responsible for the any of the operations of arithmetic and logic units. Okay, so our correct answer is flag register, because this flag register is responsible for whatever arithmetic and logic operation done in micro 8085 microprocessor. So these things, this operation instruction is stored in the flag register. Okay, so next is question solution of question number 2. Fill in the blanks. So fill up the blanks. An instruction has two parts, one is called opcode, another is on operands. Okay, so question number B, the techniques of assigning a memory address to each input and output device in the computer system is called the memory mapped input output. Okay, the STA2500H takes dash state machine cycle. It takes 3T state machine cycle for the operations of this one. A0 for the operation of this 2500H. Okay, so next is address bus is a unidirectional and data bus is a bidirectional. Here address bus is unidirectional and data bus is bidirectional. Ready signaling is used in the microprocessor to which solo peripheral device? The ready signal is used in the microprocessor to provide proper wait states. So that means how much wait, that means how much delay is there in the slow peripheral device. For measuring that one we use the ready signal. Okay, so next is solutions of question number 3. State true or false. State true or false. The stack is a data storage area in RAM used by certain microprocessor operation. This statement is true because stack is a data storage area in RAM used by certain microprocessor operations. That means when some operations are done, some operations are stored in the stack pointer. So this statement is true. Next is 3b. A microprocessors with the necessary support circuit will include at least two memory in ICs, that is ROM or EPROM and a RAM. This statement is also true. A microprocessor with the necessary support circuit will include at least two memory ICs, that is called ROM and RAM. Input output map systems identify their input and output device by giving them an 8-bit port number. This statement is also true. The input output map systems identify their input and output device by giving them an 8-bit microprocessor. Next is question number D. 8085 microprocessor operations on class 5 world. Yes, this is also true. LDA adder and STA adder are fortune language instructions stored in external memory ICs for a microprocessor. This statement is true because these are the assembly language instructions to add or store informations to the memory. Fortune language is provide versions of previous version of C. It is high level language, and microprocessor is an assembly language only. Okay, so these are the correct answer. Fortune language is actually previous version of C. Okay, so this is the previous version of C and it is a high level language. But here, whatever language are using in the microprocessor or are assembly language. Assembly language. Okay, so this is false. Next is match the following. That means first A, what is the clock frequency for 8085 microprocessor? So and right side point number 1, 64 stack pointer register is used for dashed words. The register used for sequencing the executions of instruction is number 3 is stack. Maximum memory which 8085 microprocessor can address 3 MHz in the right side. When referring to instruction words, a mnemonics is a short abbreviations for the operations to be done. See the answer. So A is, that is, what is the clock frequency for 8085 microprocessor? It is a 3 megahertz. So answer is 1 is with 3. Okay, so next is B, that means stack pointer register is used for accessing 3, that is stack. Okay, next is C, that is the register used for sequencing the execution of instruction is 2, that is program counter. When we use the supposed to sequence the execution of instruction, we use the program counter. D, that is maximum memory which 8085 microprocessor can address is 64 KB, 64K. Okay, so this is with this one. Next is last one. The when referring an instruction words, a mnemonics is a short abbreviations of this one. short abbreviations of mnemonics is the short abbreviations of the operations. Okay, next is solutions of the question number 5, that is answer the following question in short. Answer the following question in short. How many interrupt lines found in 8085 microcontroller microprocessor? Okay, so there are 8 interrupts lines are there in 8085 microprocessor. So these are the from RST0 to RST7. These are the 8 interrupt lines found in 8085 microprocessor. Next, name one 8-bit register of 8085 microprocessor. So there are 6 general purpose registers are there in 8085 microprocessors to store data, and these are B, C, D, E, H, and F. So these are the all are the 8-bit register. If you write any of these B, C, D, H, so answer will be right. What is the size of the data bus for 8085 microprocessor? So we know that the data bus size is 8 bits and address bus is 16 bit. Okay, so if we here question is data bus, so it is 16 bit. So if it is a address bus, so the answer will be 16 bit. Okay, address bus is 16 bit, data bus is 8 bits. Okay, next is which instruction is used to complement the content of the accumulator. See the questions. So our answer is CMA. Okay, CMA is used for complement. For complement contents, which instruction is used? CMA is the instruction that are we used for complement the content of the accumulator. Okay, so next questions, how many T state does an opcode phase cycle takes? So there are 6 T state and opcode phase cycle are required. So thank you for watching our videos. So please subscribe and like these videos. Press the bell icon to get the notification whenever new videos are posted. So please share with your friends, those who are studying diploma in electronics and telecommunications in state government, Assam Government Polytechnics. So share with this and another thing is that if you require the descriptions of the broad questions, that means for part B, please mentions on the comment sections. We will be try to describe the section B also.